Sonakshi Sinha walked out of Apoorva Lakhia's Hasina, which is a biopic on the life of Daud Ibrahim's sister Hasina Parkar. The movie seemed to go on back foot. But as luck had it, Apoorva quickly swung into action and has got Shraddha Kapoor on board. Apoorva met Shraddha for the role and explained that Sonakshi had to opt out because of date issues. Shraddha, who has so far done only romantic roles, sees this as a chance to stretch herself as an actor and to prove her versatility. The role of Hasina Parkar would require Shraddha to age from 20 to 60. Shraddha will be given a lot of prosthetics to make her look convincing as a woman of 50 and 60. She sees this role as a big challenge as it is her first grey character. Her father has played antagonist all his life, and yes, she would be seeking Shakti Kapoor's input to play Hasina Parkar. For more Bollywood updates, watch this space.